Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sales team's brand new listing. And I know I'm like a broken record when I say residentially, why rent when you can buy? Well, you know what? Same thing for commercial. Why are you renting an office space, wasting all your money on rent, flushing it down the toilet when you can buy your own office space? Yes, they do exist. This is a condo office, 1,540 square feet, 3 offices, 2 bathrooms, a little cute little kitchenette, and look at the location. It's right at the end. Each office has beautiful windows. You get a ton of light. We're in a great location. We're at McLaughlin and Boulevard. You can walk to Tim's. Everyone loves a Timbit, and lots of little cafes and a little bar. Great location for getting anywhere. You can go down Mavis to get on the 407. You've got the 401 close by for driving. So if you've got a small little business and you've got a few employees and you're tired of paying high square footage for rent, you can come here, buy the condo, pay your own equity down, and when you're ready to sell, you make some money when you sell it. It's a no-brainer. We also have an extra room in the back that has a separate entrance, locked door, separate bathroom, separate kitchen. You can rent out the back and make some money too. So it's so smart to buy instead of rent. So go to StuSells.ca, see all the videos, the pictures, virtual tour, and give me, Stu, a call for your private tour.